Hi, I'm James. This is me testing the mic. Does it work? Can you hear me okay?
Nice to see you here.
Oh, hey Soph, what a pleasant surprise. Welcome to Victoria. Here we are in Croatia. Come with me.
Amazing. Can you show us around?
I can show you around. So this is where we're going to be eating. This is where we're going to be drinking. A fully stocked bar where our team are going to serve you drinks. Don't ring the bell though, because you're going to be buying a shot for everyone on board if you do. So come with me to the upper deck and I'm going to show you some of the cabins. And look at this. We're in the port of Split right now. We're just about to start. The guests haven't arrived yet, but as soon as they do, this is where we're going to be spending the most of our week, getting to know each other, vibing, drinking, karaoke, games, everything like that. But come over here and I'll show you one of the upper deck cabins. So pull back the curtain and here we go. So you've got your 2 bunk beds, got all of your towels, bedding, and then because this is an upper deck cabin, you have an ensuite bathroom as well. You've also got air conditioning. All of the cabins are air conditioned. Okay, if you want to come with me downstairs, I'll show you one of the lower deck cabins. Okay, so here we are downstairs on the lower deck of the ship. Now, the only difference with these cabins versus the upper deck cabins is that these ones have a shared bathroom. So, there you go. 2 bunk beds, just like the upper decks, and a sink. So yeah, you can brush your teeth, wash your face.
Amazing. Thanks for showing us around, James.
Thank you so much.